Welcome to this Flash Bitcoin tutorial, where we will cover everything you need to know about Flash BTC, from how it works, how to trade it, how to send Flash BTC transactions, how to use it on platforms, and even how to create Flash Bitcoin. If you have been searching for a complete guide or a Flash BTC trading tutorial for all exchanges, then this video is for you. Flash Bitcoin, also called Flash BTC, is a type of digital Bitcoin that is generated and sent for a limited time. It looks like normal BTC can be used for trading, gambling platforms, or transfers, but eventually expires. The goal of Flash Bitcoin is usually for testing, temporary transactions, or platforms that accept it. Unlike real Bitcoin, Flash BTC is not permanent on the blockchain. It appears in wallets, exchanges, or platforms for a set duration before disappearing. This makes it very different from standard BTC. In this video, we'll explain everything step by step. One of the main uses of Flash Bitcoin is trading. Many people search for a Flash BTC trading tutorial for all exchanges because they want to know how to use Flash BTC to perform trades. Here's the step-by-step process. You first generate or buy Flash BTC from a trusted source. Once it arrives in your wallet, you can transfer it to an exchange that accepts Flash BTC. On the exchange, you can trade it for other cryptocurrencies or tokens. Timing is important, because Flash BTC only stays valid for a limited period. After trading, you should withdraw your profits quickly before the Flash BTC expires. This process can work across multiple exchanges, but you always need to confirm whether the platform supports Flash BTC. Now let's talk about a powerful tool that makes using Flash BTC much easier. Our software Flash BTC USDT is a dual software designed to generate flashes of up to 100 BTC, and it can be sent to any crypto wallet of your choice. The software also comes with a customized timer. This means you can program the system to automatically cancel any transaction if you don't wish to continue your deal with a client. For security, the software can automatically cancel a transaction for a maximum of 93 days. This makes Flash BTC USDT one of the most flexible and advanced solutions for creating and managing Flash Bitcoin. Another popular use of Flash Bitcoin is in gambling platforms or online betting sites. People often search for Flash BTC for gambling platforms because many online casinos allow deposits with Bitcoin, and Flash BTC can be used for testing or playing games temporarily. Here's how it works. Deposit Flash BTC into the gambling platform. Use it to play games, place bets, or test the platform. Some platforms accept Flash BTC directly, while others require conversion to tokens or credits. Since Flash BTC is temporary, it's often used for quick plays or testing strategies. However, it's very important to remember that Flash BTC is not permanent. You cannot store it long-term inside a gambling site. The best strategy is to use it quickly for entertainment or testing purposes. One of the most searched tutorials is how to send Flash BTC transaction. Sending Flash Bitcoin is simple, but there are a few key steps. Open your Flash BTC wallet application. Select the Send option. Enter the receiver's wallet address. Type the amount of Flash BTC you want to send. Confirm the transaction. The transaction will appear like a normal Bitcoin transfer showing up in the receiver's wallet. However, the Flash BTC will only stay valid for the programmed time. This could be 1 day, 7 days, or up to 30 days depending on how it was created. When using our Flash BTC USDT software, this process becomes even more powerful, since the built-in timer allows you to control and even cancel a transaction if needed. Now let's cover how to create Flash Bitcoin. Creating Flash BTC requires specific software or services that generate temporary Bitcoin. Here's the general process. Use a Flash BTC generator or tool. Input the amount of Flash BTC you want to create. Set the duration for how long it should last. Generate and send it to a wallet address. This is where the Flash BTC USDT software is especially useful. With it, you can generate up to 100 BTC, choose your timer settings, and send directly to any wallet. This gives you full control over the Flash BTC you create. Before using Flash BTC, here are a few things you must understand. Flash BTC is not real Bitcoin. It is temporary. Always use it on platforms or exchanges that allow Flash BTC. Never treat it as permanent funds. Use it quickly before it expires. Only use trusted tools like Flash BTC USDT to avoid scams or failed transactions. If you follow these rules, you can avoid mistakes and maximize the use of Flash Bitcoin. To wrap up, we have covered a full Flash BTC trading tutorial for all exchanges, how Flash BTC is used on gambling platforms, step-by-step on how to send Flash BTC transactions, a simple guide on how to create Flash Bitcoin, and how our Flash 2 BTC USDT software makes the entire process safer and more customizable with a built-in timer and cancellation feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out more videos on Flash BTC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.